guys, it's me Risa. I just want to say thank you, Built Bar. I love my new hoodie. Oh, it's so cozy. I absolutely love it. I was super shocked when I got such a huge package from you guys with the new dark chocolate cookie dough bars that are absolutely delicious. You guys have to order these. They are so amazing and delicious. And I just took a huge bite and oh my God, chocolatey on the outside and definitely cookie dough in the inside. Yum. They sent me a amazing water bottle with the Built Boost Immune. I love this stuff. So delicious. So many flavors to choose from. And a sample pack of the beef bone and chicken bone broth, which, you know, this time of year, hello, we have to help our immune system. So I'm very excited to sample this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And some cranberry almond granola. Who knew? I didn't even know. I make my own granola, but thank you. I love trying new products. And of course, we have to be safe when we go outside. So I have my new mask. So I'm very excited. Guys, go online, order now with friends, with family, code Risa. Always new products. So many exciting ones coming available for you guys to have, and surprises on the orders, tons of discounts. So remember to order, and all these different products and so many more exciting ones for the new year. So I hope this video is helpful. All right, and please subscribe Risa Weiner YouTube, my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, and of course Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, to follow my journey along with Built Bar that has helped me lose 130 pounds. I've kept it off for a long time, and I love all their products. They are super delicious and will keep you on track. Bye for now. Take care and order online Built Bars.